Hello, Mr. Dennis. This is Lott from your Speech 110 class at Tech Barksdale, and this is my informative speech. If you've ever wanted to start your own lawn service, you probably wondered a few things. Is it hard work? Is there a lot of money involved? And is it time consuming? And the answer to all three of those questions is yes. But that definitely depends on how much work you want to get done, how much money you want to make, and things like that. How much time do you have on your hands to spare? If you do want to start your own business, you need to be dedicated and be prepared to put a lot of hard work into it. I can vouch for these because I do own my own lawn service. It's a cutting edge lawn service, and I operate 5 days a week, pretty much 6 hours a day, so it is very time consuming, but it can pay off in the end. Now, starting your own business, especially lawn service, takes a lot of work and with hard work comes frustration, and a good way to deal with that is time management. You gotta have time management. Hopefully you learned it in college, but that's the best thing that you can possibly do to help with your frustration and trying to get all your work done in the same week without getting too overloaded. Organization is a big part of that too. If you're not organized, if your equipment's not running good on a lawn service, you're not going to do good, and the people probably won't be happy with your work because you're either going to try to be speeding too fast to get the yard done, or you're just not going to do as good a job as you would if you're less stressed out from being organized. Now the money situation, your finances have to be in order. The best way to start off is take out a loan from the bank. You're probably gonna have to take out about $10,000 because mowers are expensive. You gotta have the weed eaters, edgers, blowers, gas, trailer. It's very expensive, but it does pay off quickly. You can buy, if you do good and you get enough yards. There's people that make over $10,000 a week just from mowing grass, so it can pay off very good for you. The right equipment is a big part of that. If you don't have good equipment, you're just wasting your time. You're better off to buy the good equipment, the best equipment you can buy starting off, because it makes your work go a lot smoother, a lot faster. You get more profit that way, and you satisfy your customers a lot more. With dealing with time, when you're mowing grass and have a lawn service, you have to work around a lot of people's schedules. You have to be willing to be on call pretty much all day of every day. Of course, that's during the daylight hours, but you have to be on call because if somebody wants to come, say, give an estimate on the yard, you should be able to do that, and you can tell them if you don't have time that you'll get to it as soon as possible. But regardless of the fact, it's very time consuming, and it can be stressful at times because of that. But the best way to deal with that is just you could either hire a secretary or just be willing to take all those calls. And like in my case, I'll just stop what I'm doing, answer the call, try to do what I can. And if I can't get to them, they understand usually, and can get to them the next day or whatever I can. And that's the best thing you do with that. Other than that, starting your own lawn service is definitely, it does pay off in the end. In conclusion to that, starting your own lawn service will better your future in college because it allows you to make a lot of money, and you can do it just in the summer, which makes it a lot easier on you during the school year. You can study and everything like that. It's very time consuming. Like I said, it's a lot of money involved to start off. Once you get everything paid off, you're good to go, and you're on your way to a lot of profit. Lawn service is a lot of hard work. It's very, very tedious, but if you're willing to do all that, then you can make some good profit. Thank you.